It is essential to treat your household wastewater in order to protect both your health and the environment. That is the mission of the septic system. Specialized in sustainable wastewater management, Bionest designs, manufactures, and maintains eco-friendly fixed film treatment solutions. These systems are based on patented technologies that are simple to operate, durable, and deliver outstanding purification performance. Compact and robust, they are fully buried underground. Available in polyethylene or concrete tanks, water flows through the system by gravity until it is released into the environment. A technical cabinet, included with the system, houses certain components and makes maintenance easier. Let's now take a closer look at how it works. First, wastewater enters the reactor. Oils and grease remain on the surface, while solids settle at the bottom to form primary sludge. The compartment is large enough to allow anaerobic bacteria to break down the sludge, reducing its volume. A pre-filter located at the tank outlet provides an initial level of filtration, preventing suspended solids from flowing into the biological reactor. Next, the biological treatment is ensured by the unique properties of the patented Bionest media. It is durable, never needs replacement, does not degrade, and comes with a 30-year warranty. This media provides a surface for naturally occurring purifying bacteria to attach and form a biofilm, which carries out the natural purification of the water. It is self-supporting, requires no energy to fill the tank volume, and allows the biofilm to grow while resisting hydraulic overloads and possible toxic shocks. Only the outer layers are affected, ensuring continuous treatment. Occupying just 3% of the tank, it can still treat large volumes of water, making the system extremely compact. Aeration allows billions of aerobic bacteria to multiply on the media and effectively remove pollutants from the wastewater, transforming them into CO2, H2O, and other odorless compounds. As the concentration of carbon-based pollutants decreases, nitrifying bacteria take over, converting ammonium, NH4, toxic to the environment, into nitrates, number 3. The water is then directed to the final, non-aerated compartment, where a diversity of microorganisms completes the purification process. To remove nitrates, which contribute to surface water eutrophication and groundwater pollution, Bionest ensures denitrification through recirculation of the treated water into the primary settling tank, transforming nitrates into harmless nitrogen gas, N2. Bionest delivers exceptionally high-quality treated water. According to regulations, treated water may be discharged into a watercourse or a polishing field, which redistributes it directly into the soil. The polishing field requires 60% less surface area than a conventional leach field. When the biological reactors are equipped with UV disinfection, treated water can be discharged directly into a ditch via an outlet. Moreover, in some countries, treated water is even reused for multiple purposes.